So I had an incident where two foster children, completely unrelated foster children, they have no biologic relation whatsoever, were paired to have one private duty nurse, one nurse, care for both of them in the home. And the managed care Medicaid's argument was that in the ICU setting, in the hospital, in children's hospitals, one nurse can care for two patients. But the very different issue here is when you're in a hospital setting, especially in an ICU setting, every room has a button. And when you push that code button, everyone in the hospital that is supposed to show up for a code shows up. And having been in code situations, that can be up to 30 people sometimes. That's help that you would obtain when a child is at risk of dying. In a home setting, you don't have any buttons, and it can take minutes, into the teens of minutes sometimes, for EMS to show up. And that doesn't sound like reasonable. When you lose an airway, 5 minutes could be disastrous to a child's brain. I do believe that this particular managed care organization is putting child lives in danger to make a profit. I have not openly stated this with this particular managed care organization. However, I have twice now filed formal complaints to HHSC about their goings-on. I get angry, but I get angry for short periods of time. And then I take a deep breath and I become strategic. I feel very passionately about this issue. I think if I could tell other parents why I feel so strongly, it's because those same dreams that you have for your child, like they're going to walk at 12 months, they're going to talk in the next couple of years, they're going to go to kindergarten. These families have the same dreams for their children. They just might be a little bit different, but they have dreams for their kids. They want to see their kids swallow appropriately. Isn't it the most nourishing thing to do to feed your child? They want to see their children thrive in their optimal development. They want to see all the same things that you want to see as a parent. Why are we taking that from them? Why are we depriving that from these families? We owe it to children to give them their best shot. And I feel like since Star Kids has rolled out, we are not giving them their best shot, and we're holding them back. And that is why I feel so strongly about it.